Hello, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If not, hi, I'm glad to have you. My name is Candace. I live in a 30-foot yurt in the middle of the Sierra Nevadas. And we had a lot of snow recently. And I kind of just wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on. It's like, what is today? March 15th, so mid-March. A couple of weeks ago, we had a snowstorm roll through. Thought it was going to be like any other storm. It was fun for the first couple of days. Every time I would go out and shovel the front deck, I would measure the snow that had happened the day before. So I think the first day it was like 8 inches, and then it was 16 inches, and then it was 18 inches. So by the time it got up to 48 inches, I just stopped counting after that. Once it got to be that much, was probably worth it within like the first 4 to 5 days. After and during the storm, during the snow, there's usually the roads are closed for about a day, and then the plow can come through and it, plows the streets, and I'm able to get to work and everyone's able to get out. This time, roads were closed for almost like a little bit over 2 weeks, I think, or almost 2 weeks. Power took like 3 weeks to come back on for our street. Doesn't affect me because I have solar power. We were really running out of juice. But we didn't buy as much food as we should have to prepare for the storm. We were kind of just anticipating, like last year they really hyped it up and, snowpocalypse or snowmageddon or whatever the hell they're calling it. So we got, some stuff, but we started kind of running out of food midway through. So my dad actually came up from the valley. He lives about an hour away, and he was able to get up, and he parked off of the highway. I guess one of the people who lived on the street was plowing that road, so he's able, because the highway was being plowed, and he was able to park on that street, but it was like a 1.5 mile hike in really high snow. So he ended up coming, and we hiked out to go get groceries, and then and then we filled up. Katie had her backpack, and I had my backpack, and we just filled that up with food and kind of hiked back in. So it was about a little bit over 3 miles round trip. There were, which I have footage of here, I'll just insert. Or hiking out. I know, I will. Hiking to the store. Finally hit pavement. Oh, there's a car sideways.
How you guys like that?
They probably got stuck. Oh no.
We people who are flimsy mountain cars. You better.
Hey, what? Steep hill, slippery when icy.
Oh.
So slippery.
Is it what? You're gonna walk in with fucking crampons?
Huh? Crampons are
Yeah, you could tell County hasn't even tried to come through here.
Nah.
They should get all dumbass local.
Trying to get through. I think it was those guys trying to get out.
There was that too, but earlier this morning when I doing?
I don't know.
It's coming in, but I think it's popped up the trail or something like that. Saying that you guys, they have to see somebody driving up down the street.
But there were tons of like people with trucks and chains, 4-wheel drives, trying to get out with chainsaws, cutting trees up. It was just no, you couldn't get out. So luckily we were able to, you know, walk out. And then it was about probably another 10 days before we were able to get out of here, where there, you know, there were just so many trees that had fallen, taken electrical lines out. Some of our neighbors plowed our road, and so we were able to drive out to the main street. Got to the main street, tried to get out. There were power lines and trees just in the road, and it was just crazy. I drove under some trees that were still stuck on power lines, and it was just really sketchy. But lucky, I do have some footage of that. I'll put that here. After trying to get out for, you know, trying a couple of days, just waited until the county was able to come out here and plow and get our trees out of here. But that took almost like 2.5 weeks. So it's been sunny today, and it's been raining like crazy rain for like the past 2 days. So the creek's rip roaring, and the ground's really saturated. So yeah, the snow's finally starting to melt. I can see the ground in some places. So that's what we've been up to, just kind of trying to survive. We ran out of firewood, of course, not anticipating being here 3 weeks solid in, you know, in a snowstorm. The snow completely covered that window because there was just so much. I think in some places where we didn't shovel, it was over like 6 feet high. Oh, hey, sweet girl. So we ran out of wood, had to dig a path and dig out our firewood, which took a couple of hours.
This is so fucking easy compared to the other one.
Yeah. You can do it.
Up. Listen. Brooke, you're so close. You got this. What?
He's sad.
I know.
So yeah, so I'm really hoping that the snow melts soon. I can start building the bathroom so that we can take showers and do all those fun things here, not have to go to the gym or any other place to to bathe. So yeah, I'm hoping to kind of get started on the bathroom, I would say in the next couple of weeks. So I guess you guys will be coming along with us doing that. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys soon.
Carry the fucking shovel.
Oh, what a dickhead. So many bags.